All right, you're welcome to another edition of morphometric analysis. This time, we want to look at morphometric analysis in 3D form, all right, 3 dimension, and we want to look at this data set uh, for this analysis and experiment. So I'm going to show you at the end of this particular video how to acquire this same data set in case you want to perform research in this area, and some related researches that has been conducted using this technology. So let's quickly dive into it and see what we can glean from here. So we're going to be starting by looking at content first, landmark acquisition and visualization. Because I want to look at how to acquire our landmark with its various tools. Most importantly, geomorph and also viewbox. Then we have to look at how to measure our error. There are 2 ways to do that. I've used first method, which is repeats. Okay, digitize first time, second time, possibly third time. All right. Then you acquire you assess your error, or you can select from each group, select a percentage number of specimen, and you digitize not all this time around, not all, but you digitize again some percentage of the subject from different groups. All right, so we also look at a general cross-course analysis, GPA. Okay, we also look at how to visualize our data using different tools. Look at PCA, TPS, and lollipop graphs. Furthermore, we are going to also look at statistical analysis using ANOVA, MANOVA, regression and allometry, discriminant analysis, and canonical variates, Euclidean distance, and also clustering. So this landmark position can be extracted using various tools, like I said before. One of them is called microscope, or sorry, reflex measurements for for small specimen. We have 3D scanners. We also have microscope digitizer. We have mesh lab. We have a philonibus. We have a hard geomorph, which we'll be looking at. We have edgeword. We have viewbox, which we'll be looking at as well. We have checkpoint. We have a MRI or CT scans for large specimens. These are potential options that you can deploy when you are trying to, but they have limitations actually, which I will not be able to go into details of that for now. Okay, so each of them have different limitations. All right, so this subject area or this concept can be applied to various fields, right? For example, want to do statistical shape analysis, right, or image analysis, or you want to perform forensics studies of human facial morphology, or you want to do some facial recognition, which I'll be showing us later also, or age estimation, sex dimorphism, or facial expression recognition, or anthropology. You want to do cognitive science or quantitative genetics, or general purpose specific species identification. You want to perform disease diagnosis and prediction, or orthodontics, or genetics, or biomechanics. Or you want to perform geomorphometrics or terrain analysis, or neuroimaging, or bone histomorphology, morphometry, and or artificial intelligence. Any area you want to deploy the knowledge to, it is open-ended. So I will show you now. We have to acquire this particular data set now. Then I will stop. So thank you. So let's go to the area. Let's go to the how to acquire now. So let me just show you quickly. This is the 3D data. All right. And see, this is a Sterling ARST 3D face database. This is how where you can acquire these 3D images. All right. So they have them in different expression actually. So both male and female. Okay, so you can just write this University of Sterling, and you can contact the author, or you can get across to you. So I've performed some research analysis into PhD Computer Science, one of the journals that have been published 2020. This journal use the same data set to perform random-based homologous multi-point mapping approach to 3D facial recognition using multi-data set. So you can see it here. All right, so the method was applied here. You can see, so you can see many. For you to also look at the mathematical equation underlining this particular research, you can see it there. So you can go through, if you don't mind, you can go through, can glean some knowledge from there as well as we journey together. Okay, so you can also download if you want to download. So we can also go to our BNC Bioinformatics website. I also have a journal there. We also have journal here. You can see talking about facial expression recognition in human using multi-point mapping also. Here, so you can see. So you can see them here. So I can go through it later. The concept was applied here also. Okay, you can see. So can go through it. So that is for now. So I will see us in this class as we journey together gradually, little by little, and we'll be able to cover some things. Thank you so much. You can like, you can share, you can comment if you want. And if you have any question related to this, you can ask as well. Thank you. I will see us in the class.